Hola! In today's video we are going to do bridal makeup, and I wanted to do bridal makeup for some time now. I'm going to use neutral shades because normally on weddings we don't use pop shades. When I say pop shades, I am talking about bright colors, yellows, pinks. No, you can wear pinks, but you can wear like bright pink and blue. You can use it, but when we are talking about bridals, the bride, normally they use a really neutral eye, really glam, and I think the points here are glam, neutral, and shiny. I'm going to do a really glam bridal makeup look, and that needs to have shimmer, so yeah. If you are new here, hi, my name is Maria and I'm starting my YouTube channel and I'm showing you my skills. I'm trying to learn and I hope you like this video. If you want to go to a wedding and you don't know what to wear, you can always put on this makeup, because even though it's for bridal, you can use it whenever you want actually. So without further ado, let's get started.
Preview.
Okay guys, the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my face, and I'm going to use the Makeup Base Illuminating by Pierre René. I want to focus the primer on the problem areas, and when I talk about problem areas, I talk about my pores that are usually in this part of my face, the bridge of the nose, in my nose, in here, on my forehead. I usually have a lot of pores up in here. Even though they are clean, they always show up a little bit. So I want to make sure that I have everything locked down. I am a little bit bronzed, so what I'm going to do for my foundation, because this foundation that I normally use is a little bit lighter than my skin, I'm going to use the foundation from L'Oréal Paris True Match, and this color is Cappuccino Door Golden, or D8. I'm going to find the perfect match for my skin. Now you ask me, Maria, you can mix two different foundation shades from different brands and wear it on your face? Yeah, of course. Makeup has no rules, but if you have two different shades from the same brand, obviously it's going to be better if you use different brands. But you can do that. Yeah, I did my foundation shade. You can do that, but I think the only bad thing of doing this is just because the foundations have different components. So if you're mixing two really different components together, that can ruin your makeup. So be careful when you do this. You need to swatch it first, especially if you're doing this on a bride. You can't just do that. You need to see if it is everything okay, if the makeup doesn't look bad, you know, because sometimes some products together don't go really well. And what I usually try to do is try first on the model skin and wear it for 24 hours, and then I'm going to see the results. And I'm going to see if it's good to mix those brands together or not. I did this for my two previous videos, so I know that this combo is good for my type of skin. So don't worry about this. Okay guys, excuse my eyebrows. I know they are really fluffy and disgusting right now, but I didn't have the time to do them or to go to my lady that do the eyebrows. Esteticista. Yeah, so excuse them. Okay guys, my camera died and I'm here saying to you what I'm doing. I'm using my concealer to conceal under my eyes, and this is the concealer from Maybelline New York Fit Me, and it's the number 15. As you can see, today I did more concealer around my eyes, under my eyes, because I want this to be perfect. I don't want any dark circles, the circle. I don't want any dark circles. I'm sorry guys, I can't say that. It's too difficult, So yeah, we are going to blend. Okay guys, now I'm going to move on to the powder. I'm going to set my face, and that's what you're going to see. Okay guys, before I set my under eye zone, I'm going to just blend it again because I set my whole face and I left my eyes for the end. And I don't want any lines, so what I'm going to do is just blend a little bit more and then I'm going to bake. I'm going to use an eyeshadow to contour my face, and the shadow that I'm going to use is from Morphe. I'm going to mix two colors together. That will be the Wannabe and the darker. That is this color right here, the Wannabe, and the darker is this one. I'm going to mix them in my brush, tap the excess, and then do the shebang. I have just contoured my face. I fucked up a little bit up in here, but that's okay. It was not okay if it was a real bride, but yeah, you can see in here. I'm going to use a peachy shade on my cheekbones, and it's from the same palette. The color that I'm going to use is the Sting. I think it's called Sting. I think I'm right. Now I'm going to highlight, and the highlighter that I'm going to use is from Flormar, and this doesn't have the name shade, so yeah. But is this really pretty champagne color? It's really gorgeous, and the champagnes and all of that kind of colors are perfect for these days, these special days. I'm going to do the eyes, and I don't want any fallout to ruin my makeup base, so I'm going to put a little bit more the translucent powder so that I don't ruin my face. Okay guys, this is done. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to do full eyebrows. I'm not going to do natural eyebrows. I'm going to do full eyebrows. Today it's going to be full. Everything is in the right place. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'm really close to you right now. I hope I'm focused. Yeah, I really hope I'm focused. I did my eyebrows off camera, and as I said, they are really full. I'm not used to do this kind of eyebrows, but I think they are pretty good. Yeah, I think they are pretty good. And let's move on to eyeshadows. Okay, so the first color that I am going to put on my eye is this shade right here, is this color right here. And this is the number 4, and it's from the Makeup Revolution, and it's the Velvet Rose palette. I'm going to start off by placing that eyeshadow on my crease, just like this. And I want to pack at first, like do patting motions, just like this. And now I'm going to blend. I'm going to take the excess of my brush. As you can see, it came out a lot. I'm going to blend the edges so that I don't have harsh lines. I'm going to dip down my outer corner with a darker shade, and the shade that I'm going to use is the Choco, this one, Choco. Okay, now we have these two colors, and I'm going to dip it down even more with a black eyeshadow from KIKO Beauty Fetish palette, and the color name is Rubber. Take the excess, and then I'm going to place really carefully. You want to be really careful with the black. You don't want to mess your whole look because of the black, so you need to place where you want him to be. Try to do a V shape, just like this. And now I'm going to blend again with the Choco. I'm going to use this shade right here, that is the number 3, and I'm going to put this shade all over the black. I don't want this to be black, but I use the black to dip down even more. I want this like a really browny color. Now I'm going to blend everything really well with the other brush. I'm going to place a little bit of the concealer on my eye, and now I'm doing my shape, and I don't want I don't want this to be super mark down. I want this to be blended and even. Okay, I cut my crease and I'm going to use a lighter shade from the Morphe palette. The color that I'm going to use is this pretty like pinky color. And it's called Timers. I think I've never used this color on my channel before, so it's going to be new. I'm going to bring this shade a little bit higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my brush just like this and then bring to this part of my eye, like this. What I need to do now is diffuse these edges together so they will be really pretty and blended, basically. I'm going to use this brown shade. It's the number 13 from the Velvet Rose from Makeup Revolution palette. I'm going to use the same brush. First I'm going to pack, and then with the other side I'm going to do this motion. So, and as you can see, it's not really harsh line. It is just diffusing the two of them together, just as one. I'm going to do a really soft eyeliner with a shadow, and I'm going to use this brown color and this black. I'm going to mix them together so that I can have a really dark shade but not black eyeliner. Okay guys, my camera just died, and the time that I used to charge my camera, I did my other eye and I have the liner done. I'm going to put the mascara and fake lashes off camera and I'll be right back to do the lips. I'm back with my lashes done and I'm going to move on to the lips. The lipstick that I'm going to use is from Flormar and it's called Super Matte Milk Chocolate and the number is 210. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, why not? You just need to join the family. Click on that subscribe button on the ring so you can receive every week a notification of my videos. And yeah guys, you can comment down below everything that you like to know. It's basically that. I hope you have a nice week.